Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're looking at equal fractions. For example, we see over here three circles. In each of the three circles, you can see half is shaded and half is unshaded. The first circle is divided into two parts. The second circle is divided into four parts. The third circle is divided into eight parts. Now, the fraction represented by the first circle is half. The fraction represented by the second circle is 2 shaded out of 4 parts, so 2 quarter. And the fraction represented by the shaded part in the third circle is 4 parts shaded out of a total of 8 parts. Now, the fraction half is equal to 2 quarters because half is shaded here, half is shaded over here as well. So even though the number 2 over 4, 2 quarters shows a bigger number, that does not mean that 2 quarters is bigger than half. They are both equal. Now, the fraction 2 quarter is equal to 4 over 8. 2 quarters is equal to 4/8. And also, half is equal to 4/8. So all of them are equal fractions. Half is equal to 2 quarter, half is equal to 4 over 8, and 2 quarter is equal to 4 over 8. They're all equal fractions because they have the same value. So suppose if we have a fraction, say for example, 1/3. 1/3 is going to be equal to, if I multiply 1 times 2 and the same number I use to multiply the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. So therefore, 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Now the same fraction again, 1/3. If I multiply the top and the bottom by the number 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So 1/3 is equal to 3/9. Let's do 1/3 again. If I multiply the numerator and the denominator by the number 4, 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So the fraction 1/3 is equal to 4/12. So there can be many equal fractions for any one given fraction. Let's take the fraction 2/5. If I multiply the top and the bottom by 2, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. The fraction 2/5 is equal to 4/10. Suppose we have the fraction 3 over 7 and I multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21. So the fraction 3 over 7 is equal to 9 over 21. You might also get questions where you have to find the missing number. For example, if you're given 2 quarters is equal to something over 16. So what is the missing number over here? Now in this kind of situation, we have to find the multiplier. 4 multiplied by what gave us 16? Is it 4 times 2? No. Is it 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. Is it 4 times 4? Yes. 4 multiplied by 4 gives us 16. Now the same multiplier will have to be used for the numerator. So it has to be multiplied by 4 to get the missing number. So 2 times 4 would be 8. Therefore, the missing number over here is 8. Suppose we have 3/10 is equal to 12 over a missing number. So we have to find the multiplier. Now, so 3 compares with 12. So 3 multiplied by what gave us 12? Is it 3 times 3? No, 3 times 3 is 9. Is it 3 times 4? Yes, the multiplier here is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So the same multiplier you'll have to use for the denominator to get the missing number. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. So 3/10 is equal to 12 over 40, and the missing number was 40. Suppose you have 5 over 10 is equal to something over 30. So what is 5/10 equal to as a fraction with the denominator of 30? So you have to find the multiplier. So compare 10 with 30 and find the multiplier. Is it 10 times 2 equals 30? No. Is it 10 times 3? Yes. 10 times 3 is 30. The same multiplier you have to use for the numerator. So 5 multiplied by 3 will give us 15. So the missing number here is 15. Suppose you have 3 over 8 is equal to something over 40. So 3/8 is equal to what number over 40? So here 8 compares with 40. What number multiplied to 8 gives us 40? If you use a timetable, it is 5. The multiplying number is 5. 8 times 5 is 40. The same multiplier you use for the numerator. So 5 is 40, 5 3 is 15. So the fraction 3 over 8 is equal to 15 over 40, and the missing number over here was 15. So with equal fractions, even though the numbers appear bigger, but if the multiplier for the numerator and the denominator is same, then the fractions are equal. So I hope you learned something from this video today. Thanks for watching.